Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetsnews.com, and today we have the Alcatel Pop Fit device. This is called the Alcatel Pop Fit. This is the most, you can say, the smallest size smartphone when it comes to Android from Alcatel. This device is pretty good as it is a very candy bar phone. It is much more handy than your Nokia Asha phone could be. So again, this phone is definitely designed for people who just are looking for a smartphone, a very small smartphone which actually satisfy their needs but does not need to be very fast, right? So this device, in terms of specification, if we take a look, the specification of this device is that it has a thickness of around 11.9 millimeter. You have a weight of around 178 gram. Only 78 gram is the weight of this device. It has got a 2.8 QVGA display. The resolution of the display is 240 into 320. This is going to be one of the most affordable smartphone from Alcatel, and it is going to come in India very soon. It will come in March or April, and again, we are not sure about the exact date when it will come, but it will come in that particular month in 2014. When we talk about the camera on the device at the back is a 2 megapixel camera, whereas on the front it is a VGA camera. Okay, the front does not have a camera, sorry. So front does not have a camera, but it does have proximity and ambient light sensor. It also has an LED notification light. You have a nice metallic earpiece as well, and at the bottom you have the touch capacitive buttons which will light up whenever you use them. It is running Android, and it is running Android 4.2. Again, on this much display, the overall experience when it comes to entertainment is going to be very much limited. But again, this is designed for people who would like to carry this phone on the go. So you can actually carry this phone on the go. This is very small and one of the lightest phone available in the market as far as Android is concerned, and it is the smallest phone when it comes to hand usage. One-handed usage, this phone is awesome. You can easily access the screen without any issues. You can use this phone with one hand only, and again, it is a full touchscreen phone, and the touch which we have on the phone is a capacitive touch. So when we take a look over the phone dialer, let me just show you the phone dialer. The phone dialer is over here, as you can see. It is a very simple phone dialer. Don't expect to have a video call option over there in the phone dialer. This is how the app drawer look like, and again, app drawer does have all these icons which are pretty big in size as far as icons is concerned, but again, the number of rows are limited because of this small size. When we talk about the battery on this device is a lithium polymer ion battery. It is a 1000 milliampere hour battery, which should be very sufficient for a display of this size. And again, when we talk about the storage, it has got 4 GB of internal storage and 500 MB of RAM. And again, this device is the best device only for those who are looking for a very affordable and a very small phone. So if you don't want the phone to become big, then this is the best phone you can buy, especially when you are looking for an Android phone. So this phone will come to India as well, so you can buy it in case you need it. You have Wi-Fi, GPS connectivity as well. Again, assisted GPS is there on this device, so you can use it for GPS navigation as well. You have full Bluetooth 4.0 as well. Bluetooth 4.0 supported. The end user available memory on this device is going to be 2 GB, and again, you do have micro SD card support as well on this device. You just need to remove this back cover, which we cannot remove as of now for you, but removing this back cover will actually show you the phone from the back side, and you can actually see where you can actually insert the micro SD card slot. So we have another phone over here where we can remove the back cover, and once we remove the back cover, we can see that this phone is actually it is a single SIM phone, and you have the micro SD memory card slot to expand the storage of the device. And again, here we can actually put the battery inside. Again, we cannot show you the battery, but the battery is 1000 milliampere hour. It comes with different colors, and it also comes with a cute flip cover, especially in case you are looking to give someone a very cute phone. This is one of the best phone which you can give. Very small in size, very cheap as well when it comes to the market. It will be priced very low, and again, very affordable. It will also come with these cute flip covers in different colors. You have this flip cover in yellow color as well, and you have this flip cover in some other colors as well. So you can use this device with this flip cover with these indents over here, which actually allows you to play the music even when the flip cover is actually applied. The flip cover looks good. You have the flip cover and the back cover of the device available in different colors, as you can see. So you can have it in red, you can have it in pink or blue. The flip cover are also available in different colors, as well as the back cover is also available in different colors. When we talk about the overall form factor, the form factor of this phone is decent enough. You can easily hold this phone in one hand. As far as camera is concerned, let me just show you the camera view as well. So this is how the view look like from the camera. And again, let me just take a photo as of now to show you the overall quality of the device when it comes to taking a photo. And we have just taken a photo, and let me just show you the same. And again, this is how the photo looks like. It is a fixed focus camera. Don't expect much in the photo, but again, in this low light, the photo has been taken pretty good from this device. The amount of details will not be that good on the 2 megapixel camera which we have on this device. When we take a look over the notification center, this is how the notification center look like. We can actually go to the notification settings over here, and once we take a look over the version of Android which we have on this device, it is running Android. Okay, which version of Android is running? It is Android 4.2.2, which is there on this device. As far as storage is concerned, around 2 GB of internal storage is actually available to the user, and you also have the option of installing applications on the SD card as well. This is one of the best phone which I would see in this price segment, which actually gives you the option of installing applications on the micro SD card. And again, when it comes to the RAM is kind of limited on this device, but again, on this device you do not actually need much RAM to run it, because the hardware is very low, and again it has a processor which is a dual core 1 GHz processor. And again, when we take a look over the RAM, this is the current scenario for the RAM, and as of now around 98 MB of RAM is free, and rest of it, out of the 512 MB of RAM, 377 MB of RAM is being used. So this is how the overall scenario look like. When we take a look over the applications, okay, let me just come back, sorry. And when we take a look over the display, again, let me see whether this device, okay, this device does have automatic brightness as well. Considering this small phone, this device also have automatic brightness, which is definitely a good thing. You have a primary microphone over here, and again, when it comes to the camera, on the side of the camera you have the loudspeaker. On the top you have the 3.5mm audio jack. Here you have the power and sleep key. Over here you have the volume rocker, which is again good, looks good, very stylish in terms of the colors. You have the micro USB port for data syncing and charging over here. On this side you have nothing, no buttons, and the overall profile of this phone as far as color is concerned is looking good, because the kind of back covers you get on this device is amazing. Actually makes this device look really good. So in all, this phone is definitely decent value for money, especially in case you want to buy a very affordable smartphone, which should be small enough as you can easily hold this phone in any of the hand, and it will be quite suitable for one-handed usage as well. You do have the option of creating a portable Wi-Fi hotspot as well on this mini device, which is definitely a good thing, and you do have VPN support as well. And again, we have battery management application as well, so that you get more battery backup on this device. The overall battery backup on this device is going to be decent on this device, as the display is really small. And again, this device looks pretty good. The overall form factor of the device is good. Let's see when it comes to India and what price it comes to India. That was a quick hands-on of the Alcatel One Touch Pop Fit device. We really like this device as far as the overall form factor is concerned. As far as the overall specifications are concerned, they are pretty okay for this device. Let's see when it comes to India and what price it comes to India. Do let us know if you have any specific question for the Alcatel One Touch Pop Fit. We would love to help you. These are some of the applications which are there on the phone, as you can see, and we do have Hangout application which comes pre-installed. You have Evernote application from pre-installed. You also have WhatsApp, which will come pre-installed on this device. That means you can actually use WhatsApp as well on this mini phone. Like this video. This video help you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.